Hello, it's me from my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make honey chicken. It's very simple and easy to do. So let's jump right in. We'll need about 1 pound of chicken cut up into bite-sized pieces. Next, we'll need a cup of honey. Next, add the apple cider vinegar and soy sauce. Whisk it together. Next, add your minced garlic and whisk it in. And then finally, add the cornstarch. Whisk it together until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. Now we're going to add another tablespoon of oil. Get that nice and hot. Once the oil is hot, add about 1/2 cup of water. Now we just want to lightly toast that. Make sure you toss it around so it doesn't stick. I'm serving mine with white rice. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below what your favorite honey chicken recipe is. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn off the heat and then add salt and pepper to taste. I usually add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and then 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it another toss and then it's ready to serve. Again, we don't want to boil it or anything like that. We just want to lightly toast it. This will help our sauce adhere to the chicken better. It'll only take about 30 seconds or so. This is going to be our sauce for our honey chicken. That's half of a standard cup. Then we'll need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce. And then we have some garlic. We'll need 4 cloves of garlic minced. Finally, we need a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Now we just want to bring this to a gentle boil. Once it comes to a boil, we go in to reduce the heat to a simmer and then add our chicken back into the skillet. Now we just want to coat the chicken in the sauce. We don't want to fully cook the chicken at this point. We just want to coat it in the sauce and then we going to cover it and let it steam. This will help the chicken cook a little bit more evenly. I usually do about 1 or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and then salt and pepper to taste. We're going to start by gathering all our ingredients. The first ingredient is chicken. The first thing we're going to do is pour the honey into a small bowl. Once the oil is nice and hot, add your chicken. Okay? Now we just want to lightly toast that. We don't want to fully cook it because then it'll be tough and dry. We just want to toast it so it has a nice sear on there. It'll only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Just toss it around so it doesn't stick. Next, get a large skillet. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Get that over medium-high heat. Once the chicken is nicely seared, we're going to move it to a separate plate. Once the water has toasted, we're going to add our sauce. Now we're just going to let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can serve this over rice, noodles, your favorite side. Thank you so much for watching. It's me from my channel. I'll see you next time.